What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of an accessory that I'm pretty excited about, a Tesla center console cubby drawer. I'm really excited about this because there is a cubby in your center console and things just slide around in it. If you take a look inside of my center console, you'll see that I have sunglasses, papers, all kinds of stuff just flying around everywhere. And that cubby isn't really that great because things just slide right out. If you accelerate, your sunglasses are just gonna pop out and you might end up stepping on them. So I want to go over these. This one particularly is a brand that I just bought off Amazon. There's a few other brands out there. This one seemed to be the one that I liked the most from what I saw. It was pretty plain. It's a carbon fiber one. This is the brand called MECHCOS. So I just wanted to go over this. There's a few other brands out there. I know the big company EV Items. They make a lot of good Tesla accessories. So they had one. It had a little knob on it. Wasn't really something that I liked. So we'll just take a look at this one today and show you guys what it's all about. Now, to give you a fair review, I'm going to show you what I originally ordered, which was this one. They're the same thing, but I ordered this one, and when I opened it up, it was a little cracked. Now, this is a fair review here, and this crack kind of shows you the quality of the product. It's not really expensive, which is a good thing, and it's from Amazon. They back up their products. Or this company backs up this product because I ordered one and they sent me a replacement instantly. So just a fair warning, it's not indestructible, but it's just a little cubby drawer, so it'll suit anybody's needs for some extra storage for sunglasses or whatever else you want to put in here. So let's put this one away and I'll show you what. Okay, so this one is one that was not broken. They replaced the other one, and the other one could have been broken just because of shipments or whatever, UPS. Nothing else in the box here. So you open it up, and I picked the carbon fiber one. It's a little warped, it looks like. I don't care, actually, so we'll see how it looks in the car. So I got the carbon fiber one. It's pretty nice. My car has carbon fiber trim, and it does come with some extra accessories. That's pretty nice that they send it with that keychain. I think I'm actually going to use this keychain because I don't have one, and this one is a pretty classy looking one. This is basically, it has some little notches here, I guess for a grip. A carbon fiber trim, felt on the outside and the inside, and the design here has the little notch to keep things separate. So it has space right here and then space right here. Let's go put it in the car. All right, let's see what we got here. Music blasting. Give it a second. Alright, so I said I was going to show you what my center console looks like right now. My car's dirty, I need to get a detail. But look, I got sunglasses here. I have some extra sunglasses here. This pair, I usually put them in here. They end up in here. A bunch of these I gotta just hide somewhere. Quest bar, voucher, keys, chargers, extra chargers. So that's what I'm working with here. And then I have my cup holder here and packets of gum. What is this? Park City hot cocoa voucher. All right, so a bunch of junk and sunglasses. So I have this carbon fiber trim. I just want to compare it really quick to the kind of trim that we have in the car. See, this carbon fiber trim, I love it. It's a little matte. It's not glossy. It's kind of matte polished. This is a glossy carbon fiber. It's not a big deal to me. I really don't care. It's not a deal breaker. So let's see how this fits. So this cubby, let's get down low more. This cubby right here, I don't like that. So there's a little notch here. Cubby is not very deep. I'm touching the inside all the way. This little notch here, I think, is gripping here, so it's preventing it from, actually it's a good thing. It's preventing it from coming out all the way, so it won't slide out. Let's see. So you gotta lift it up a little bit. And if it's for general storage of stuff, then that's great. You can just store a few things in here and it'll do the job. Okay, so there's a pair of sunglasses. These are some Ray-Ban aviators. Okay, that fit. It fits even with the same amount of lift with nothing in there. These ones. I'm gonna get these keys. I don't know if I want to put my extra chargers in here. I'll definitely put... that doesn't fit there. Okay. That goes there. Extra charger. Couple packs of gum. Yeah, I'm gonna put this voucher in here. Actually, I need that for this weekend. That's it. That's all I really want to put in there. But I do want to put 2 pairs of sunglasses in here, so that won't work. Let's see if we can make some moves. That's my goal. 2 pairs of sunglasses and whatever other junk I have. But no quest bar. That can go in the glove compartment. Alright, that's it. How does it look in general? It's pretty slick. I think it looks really good and I'm happy with it. So I don't know. I do like the design. It's $20-something. Suits my needs, and I do want to just order one of the other ones and just see how they feel. I don't think I'll spend $50 on one, even if it slides in and out better. I can't imagine that it has better storage. So really $20-something I think is a suitable price for this. And I don't know, if the other ones are better quality, I guess they can justify the higher cost. But yeah. All right, so let me know what you guys think about this Tesla accessory, the MECHCOS Cubby that I bought on Amazon. It's a cubby drawer. It's from Amazon. There's a few other brands out there. If you know of any other brands, let me know how you like them, how you feel about the quality, and let me know what you think about this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I have some other accessories that I'm waiting to get delivered, and I want to review them too. Best thing about buying a new car is to accessorize it. So it's really fun to just buy some accessories for the car, even some simple ones like this. I don't really go crazy on accessorizing cars with like rims and paint jobs and stuff, but these little things that make it more convenient on the inside, it's pretty nice. The inside of the Tesla is not that great. I've said it before. So I know some other cars, you know, Mercedes and BMW, they have some really insane interiors. Even some like Porsche and stuff, they have really nice interiors, but the interior of this car is pretty plain. I do like it. It's good enough for me. And this little cubby drawer is pretty nice. I'm happy with the overall concept, and this company and other companies make a pretty nice product and make it nice that it's convenient too. And it's nice that you have just something, an option out there to fill this cubby.